Hi guys, let's see how to merge cells in Google Sheets. So let's say you want to merge these three, then just select those cells which you want to merge. And after that, click on Format from the top tab and then click on Merge Cells. Hover your mouse on the Merge Cells and then click on Merge All, and it'll merge these cells. Okay, you can always put this thing in the center so that it looks better. Now, merging can also be done horizontally or vertically. Let's show you that. So let's say you want to merge these all four blocks. Click on Format, click on Merge Cells and click on Merge All. So it will say merging cell will only present the top leftmost value. So only one will be preserved. So this will be there. Now let's undo this and let's check how merging horizontally works. Click on Format again, Merge Cells, Merge Horizontally. Again the same message, and that's it. Horizontal merger happens. Only leftmost values get preserved. Now let's do vertical merger. Click on Format, click on Merge Vertically, and this is how vertical merger happen. Okay, so this is by example I have shown you how you can merge cells in Google Sheet easily and quickly. Thanks for watching. Please do